Good morning, all of you. Let us wait for your friends. Let us wait for around 2 or 3 minutes, then we'll start this lab. Okay, so I hope that most of you have joined. So good morning, all of you. Welcome to the second lab of DE. Now, as the previous lab, we are going to discuss about your definitions, and I'm going to approve you, or I will ask you to modify it. And we have seen some examples also in previous lab that definitions you need to select. So if your definition is based on application or application-oriented definition is there, then you need to modify it. Right, so let us see it. Let us go through it. Let us have one by one presentations. That is kind of just a brief. You do not need to present any kind of PPT or all those things. You just need to give a kind of brief about your project, how you identify your problem definition, as a solution, what you're going to provide, and what is the team. Right. So all these three things you need to just give brief intro on. Before that, let us go to that timeline again that we discussed in previous lab. Okay, so as you can see here, by end of yesterday to fill out that sheet, you need to decide the team and problem definition. And today, after your presentation or after your brief intro on your definition and solution, I'm going to approve it, or I will ask you to modify it. And if it is approved, you need to start with step 2, step 3. I think registration is not open yet, so that I will inform you later that when you can register on the website. You can start if after approval. If you are getting approval, then you can start with different things that you need to submit. That is already mentioned in that PDF file that we have seen. Or let me go through it again. So you can start with those things that you need to submit. Let me just show you that also. Just a minute. You open that link. You can get the list from that official website of the. You can simply visit this academics guidelines D2A 5th SEM 315001. And here on 6th page, all these are the things that you need to submit. Fine, and you have already done it in previous semester also, but with a different definition. Fine, so after getting approval, you can start with step 2, step 3, and you need to submit all those things by 12th of July. So you all need to submit it by 12th of July. And on 13th and 20th of July, you need to present it. You need to prepare a PPT and you need to present your work along with definition, intro, and background work and different kind of things that you have done here. You all need those things as a PPT, or with PPT you can present it. And by 20th of July, they're going to complete it. By 20th of July, that will be the last lab for this subject. And then there, after that, there will be no presentation or submission. And based on your step and step 4, these marks will be assigned. So this is kind of again discussion on timeline. So we can start discussion on your definition. Just a minute. Let me go to that sheet. Okay, so just a minute, all of you. Okay, so we can start it. So the first group is Hemang, and again repeating what I'm expecting. You just need to give a kind of brief intro on your definition. That is, for example, on what basis you have identified this definition, which kind of challenges or issues it is going to be addressed, and as a solution, what you're going to provide. And in your team, who are there? Fine. So that's it. These three things I'm asking to you. So just short, brief intro on your definition. Himang and team, any one teammate from your team can just represent it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dhruv.
Sir, we have taken definition as disaster and emergency reporting and volunteering.
Okay.
So, as you know, in this era, there are emergency situations and which are unavoidable and unexpected. So, sometimes it may be life-threatening too. So, now in this era of technology, we can utilize technology to solve this problem. And nowadays, many people are using smartphones, which is very common. So we would be creating an app where a user would create their account, and there would be two options: to report an incident and to report response to an incident. So when you want to respond, you would be considered as a volunteer. And when you report an incident, you have to provide incident name, incident type, location, and brief description. And the respondent would tell what kind of things they can bring with them to help them. Also, along with the message, it would be sent to the police department, medical helplines on the basis of the incident type.
Great, Dhruv. Great. It is approved. You can go with it. You can start working on it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And one more thing, many were having queries that do you need to implement this definition? You need to only work on those things which are required. In that PDF file that we have seen that you need to submit, only those things you need to submit. And further steps or further execution and other things will be done in your next semester. So you can go with the next semester's PDF file also, next semester's guideline also from the same link. Fine. So the same definition you are going to extend in next semester. Fine. So in next semester, what things you need to do, all those things will be mentioned in that PDF file. So you can refer the next semester PDF file. Fine. So only those things you need to prepare which are required in that PDF file. Which are the things you need to submit? Those things are mentioned there, and you need to prepare only those things. Do not try to implement or don't start implementing it. If you are having a sufficient time, if you want to implement it from right now, if you just want to start working on it, that is fine, no issue. You can also complete further things. That is up to you. Fine, but in this semester, only those things are required which are mentioned there to submit. Right. So if you want to move ahead, if you want to go ahead and start implementing it, that is fine, no issue. Okay, so next team is of Anjan and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
please.
Breeze from Anjan's team.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, our project is based on volunteering task. So it's like a people when they needs help from others people, they can request a task that they can come to their nearby places, or they come to their where the task is going on. So the people who wants help because of health criteria or any other issues they're facing, so they can our project is an application based, so they can request a task that they want to do with them. So the nearby volunteering peoples, they can accept the things that they are requested or that described in the detail on applications. So the volunteer would accept the things, and then he come nearby to his place, then we'll do the task, etc. After that, when one volunteer would like to do, the others volunteer will be also participating in, like not one only but more than also. So it's an application base where volunteers they make uh, like I can say that it's an volunteers, no, it can be said as NSS work, where peoples like to do service to the peoples nearby their places. That's it.
Okay, okay, and how your project is different from Drew's project?
Sir, Dhruv's project is based on disaster, so I am taking on all the tasks where peoples need something, like
Okay, so all the
if I
activities which are
ask,
done by NSS, those kind of
huh,
things, right?
yes, if
Okay,
someone wants a medical medicines from a medical store, then he can request. If he is
okay,
an old person, then he can request that thing. Or if someone wants a delivery from a store, grocery stores or a market store or any other store, then he can request it. If someone wants a gardening work in his home, he can request it. Any task, a volunteer will do it if he wants do it, or he is nearby his home.
okay, fine, fine, no issue. You can go with it also, and you can start working on it. Great.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Breeze.
Okay. Okay.
Brunda and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, our definition is about automation in home electricity. We usually forget to switch off our home appliances, due to which it results a high electricity bills and waste of energy. So using this application, we can minimize the risk of leaving lights or other appliances on when they are not required. From this definition, we can a home automation device allows us to control all the electronics of our home through a mobile from anywhere. With this mobile application, we can on off the TV, fan, air conditioner, TV, etc. And the main purpose for making this is about to save energy, security, and safety. That's it, sir.
Okay, Brunda, actually, your project is application-oriented project. It is not going to be helpful to the society. Right, so it is only focusing on various things, electronic devices, electrical devices, and you're going to automate it. Right, so it is again automation-based project, and it is not going to be helpful to the society or community people. So I think you need to modify the definition.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So those students, those students whom I'm going to ask to the modifying the definition, what they need to do by within 2 days. That is today and tomorrow. That is 22nd and 23rd of June. Within 2 days, try to identify new definition. After identifying new definition, please send me that definition along with description and solution on my WhatsApp number that I already given to you. And also after, for example, if on WhatsApp, if I'm if approving it, then you can modify that on this sheet also. Right. So after approval on WhatsApp, you can directly modify it on this sheet. Right. So to those teams, I'm asking you to modify the definition. They need to change it within 2 days. There's today and tomorrow. And after deciding it, please send me on WhatsApp your updated definition along with solution. Then I will either ask you to modify it or again, or I will approve it. If I'm approving it, please modify here on this shared sheet. And after getting approval, you can start working on different things. Step 2, step 3. Okay, next, Manthan and team.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ramesh. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Our definition is about online grocery shopping, and our project will be e-commerce service. And we all know that shopping a grocery is how much difficult task for us. And we have to make a list of items, travel to and from store, browsing through whole market to find what we are looking for, and bargaining about price. So these are the factors and that we are facing, and we will be enhance grocery business model to help local farmers as maximum as possible. So its advantage will be it saves times and money, find everything you need at one place, and also the price will be reliable. Thank you, sir.
Ramesh, I think your definition is also focusing on application. It is application-oriented definition. That is kind of creating an application where you are creating a kind of online store, you can say.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So it is not going to be helpful to the society or community. Again, please update and modify your definition.
But sir, we are going to help local farmers.
Okay, which issues of farmers you're going to resolve?
Sorry.
Which issues of farmers you're going to resolve?
So they are not gaining the maximum price of their product as they are expected. So we are maximize it, and we will ask them to produce a special kind of item which we are needed or required. So we will give them a money they need. So our business will be related to help to local farmers, sir. It will
Okay,
be both.
but
Sorry.
yes,
So it
but
will
the
be.
kind of working model which is available right now that they are having, uh, first you need to get a kind of approval, and that is the kind of thing that is the issue that is faced by nowadays by the farmers, and because of that protests are going on. Fine. So again, you need to modify it because it is majorly focusing on a kind of online store, and the kind of thing that you are mentioning, I think it need to go through certain kind of rule.
Yes, sir. As we proceed to our project, we will learn more about that. So we'll do improvements.
But
So
some
that,
government platforms are also there from where they are deciding the rates and all those things.
but sir, due to the government's local farmers are protesting, like we know that in Punjab, the protest having long for a month. So the government aren't helpful like we expected. So our project will be help them and also the community.
But it need to be go through a kind of approval process. Fine, and it will take a kind of legal process and all those things, and it will take some time. So better to go with the definition.
Okay, sir. So we'll do that.
Okay, fine. Fine, thank you. Okay, next. Ravi and team.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead, Vasu.
Yes, sir. Our project is to make a application named Rozgar for Job. Due to current scenario of pandemic, it is difficult to hire workers to get the job done. Since it quite risky to go outside the home and hire workers physically. Also, for workers, the opportunity of getting daily works is decreased because of fearing people to go outside the home. The situation solution to this problem can be an application where workers can register themselves and the employer can directly contact the worker based on requirement by utilizing the information of worker. This way, the unnecessary going outside the home can be avoided, opportunities for job can be created, and the employer can get their work done. Thank you, sir.
Okay, just a minute, Vasu. Okay, and who will be your stakeholders? I think it is kind of online, right? Vasu?
Yes, sir.
Job.
Hello.
Am I audible, Vasu? Vasu, are you there? I think Vasu has lost the connection. Fine. So Vasu and team, anyone from Vasu's team? Can anybody from Vasu's team reply? Nirav, Ravi, Ravi, Vasu. Okay, so their task will be pending. Shubham and team. Shubham and team. Shubham, Vatsal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vatsal. Vatsal, from your definition itself, I can say that it is again focusing on some kind of automation thing. So you need to modify your definition. The smart parking
Yes,
and
sir.
it is again application-oriented definition. So you need to modify it.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, Just a minute, all of you. So Shubham's team need to modify the definition. Hmm. Vishwa and team. Anyone from Vishwa's team? Vishwa, Vidhi, Ishan, Jinal. Vishwa. Your voice is a little bit low, Vishwa.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, but with some little bit echo.
Oh, okay, just a minute. I just joined it from another device.
Fine, fine, fine.
Okay. Hello, sir. Sir,
Okay, so you are,
we are. Sorry.
from your definition, I can say that you are going to create a kind of website or application from where you are going to just upload kind of information, videos, motivation videos, some kind of things.
No, no. It is not just about motivational videos. We'll be having a chatbot who will help the patient recognize the signs and symptoms of mental health, like if they are facing extreme depression or severe any other mental health issues. So the bot will help them recognize signs. Then there will be videos and like about testimonials who would be for improving attitudes to self-help and self-help seeking, right? And thus this website will help the patient feel less alone.
Okay, so which things will be there? Which will the major things will be there in your project?
Major things as in there would be all the signs like
One
everything
is
about
chatbot.
mental health.
One you're going to include is chatbot, right?
Sorry.
One thing that you are going to include is chatbot, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Chatbot
Okay,
would be the major thing that would
okay,
help the patient. And
okay,
other than that, there would be A to Z information about mental health.
okay. And what chatbot will do?
They'll help them address the emotion and help them assess what kind of symptoms and signs they have to help them recognize. You can say.
Okay, so chatbot will be only going to identify the kind of disease he or she is facing, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, apart from those things, any
And
other way chatbot can
by
help?
chatting with the bot, by chatting with the bot, the patient can let know what kind of severity he or she is having, and by then he or she can implement through a program. And we were even thinking about connecting it through different NGOs which are free of cost for mental health, so they can seek help from counselors and they can seek help from psychiatrists through the website itself.
Okay, so uh, kind of suggestion that along with identifying the disease or identifying the name
Okay.
of that kind of thing that they are facing or they are going through, along with that
Okay.
also include more things in that chat box, a chatbot.
Okay.
Right, so that
What?
thing is not
Okay.
only yes, yes, please continue.
Okay. Along with that, we can even add the chatbot who can be a mood reliever
Yes, exactly. So
just by
directly
talking.
you,
Right. Right.
yes, exactly. So you can directly also share your things with the chatbot, and it can get a kind of appropriate response.
Oh, yes, yes. And we can even connect it to doctors like psychiatrists and
Yes,
counselors.
and that also through that chatbot, right?
Yes, yes.
Directly that chat through that chatbot, you can directly one can directly should be communicated with that doctor.
Yes, the board itself will give information about certain NGOs, certain psychiatrists, certain doctors that can help
And
them
if
with this mental.
okay, and if possible, for example, if chatbot is recommending that let us say two options, the chatbot is giving that these are the doctors to whom would you like to consult.
Okay.
So if I'm selecting any one doctor directly, it should be communicating with that doctor directly at that point.
Yes, yes. Directly it will be communicating.
And you also need to check out the availability of, for example, if doctor is not available, then you can just directly display that he or she
Yes,
is busy right now.
yes,
You
yes.
will get a kind of call, or you can contact him on this time duration.
Yes, exactly.
Fine, fine.
Sure, sir.
So you can go with it, and you can please add these things with your.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Vasu, Nirav, Ravi, anybody from your team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Ravi.
Yes, sir. We have choose two projects. First one is Rozgar app, and second one is sponsorship finder.
Sponsorship finder.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sponsorship
again.
finder.
Okay, Ravi. Both the things are again application oriented. It's a kind of online
Sorry?
platform for
Yes, sir. Online.
both the applications are application oriented, so you need to modify it.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
In the Rozgar app, they find job job.
Yes, but so many job-based applications and websites are also there, and that is totally application oriented. It is not going to be helpful to the community and society. Fine, so you need to
Yes.
modify the definition. Is it clear, Ravi?
Sir, can you write in chat box? Your voice is cracking.
Just a minute. Ravi, you can go to the chat box. Both the definitions are kind of application oriented. You need to change it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So those to whom I have asked to modify it, please modify it within 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. And after deciding that which definition you're going to select, please send me on WhatsApp number your definition along with the solution.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ravi. And after approval on WhatsApp, please update your definition on this shared sheet also. And those who have got the approval, they can start working on all these things which are required to submit. That is already available on the PDF file. And about registering your problem definition and team, I think it is not start yet. I will contact with the coordinator, and then I will let you know that when it will be started. Yes, sure. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me Let me share my contact details also. And so contact details are there on the screen. You can note down the number. Thank you so much, Vatsal, for that query. Okay, anybody, any else, any kind of query, any kind of doubt? And we have gone through some examples also in previous lab. So you can go through the recording of that first lab. If you are having any query, first of all, go through that recording of that first lab so that you can get clear idea that which kind of definitions are required. Because it is kind of strict guidelines from GTU that the definitions must be based on community or society-based issues or challenges. So application-oriented definitions are not allowed. That is the reason that I am asking you to modify it. Okay, just a minute, all of you. Please wait for a while. Okay, one team is making entry there. That is Rishabh and team.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Can you explain Rishabh and team? I think again your definition is just kind of application-oriented definition.
No, sir. This is
Rishabh and team, can you
fingerprint.
explain?
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, sir.
Rishabh and team,
Yes, sir. May I audible? Hello. May I audible, sir?
Rishabh, Sadashiv,
Yes, sir. Hello.
Rishabh, Sadashiv, can you explain?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Hello.
Your voice is not audible, Sadashiv. Please reconnect yourself. Okay, fine. Take your time.
Hello, sir. Audible, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Rishabh Raj, can you explain?
Audible, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, so okay, you are able to hear his voice. Okay, fine. So I think I need to reconnect. Just a minute. Sadashiv?
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes. Now you're audible. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. My project is based on fingerprint EVM machine, sir.
Yes, and that is, I think, application-oriented definition. There is a
Sir,
kind of product, you can say, or application-oriented definition. So you also need to modify the definition, because it is not going to be helpful to people of community and society. It is just used for voting, nothing else.
it helps the society, sir.
Is it going to serve?
Yes, sir. Can I explain?
Yes. How it is going to serve?
Sir, as we know in election department, one person gives more than one vote, and this makes very contradiction for the
It is
society.
going to solve some issues during voting only. And that issue is
Yes,
not society-based issue or community-based issue, right?
yes, sir.
Yes. So that's why you need to change the definition.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, Ramesh is having one comment that we have decided new project to serve underprivileged kids from volunteering. And volunteering platforms, I think one of your batchmate has already covered that thing. That is NSS based activities. So in that NSS based activities, all the things are covered. Ramesh?
But sir, we are only want to do just
That is sub module that is already covered.
so sir. So how can we decide our project then?
Yes, that is the thing that in previous lab I have shared few links also for your reference. So again, you can refer the previous labs video. I have shared many links and few examples also. Fine, so you can go through it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, anybody, any kind of queries, any kind of doubts? Fine, so that's it for today's lab. And in next lab, what is our planning? In next lab, I will take the follow-up that which kind of progress you are having after deciding this definition. What progress you have done? That means how many things you have completed from that list. And that from that PDF file, how many things you have completed, what is the progress, and that is our next labs planning. Okay, so we can take the attendance now, just a minute. And in next lab, uh, you can also continue with the different things that you need to prepare. Once after for a follow-up, you can start working on your different things that you need to prepare. That is about the next. Now, let me take the attendance for today's lab, just a minute. We're starting with Mahek. Mahek, you can type down in the comment box also. Mahek is not responding. Runda,
Yes, sir.
thank you. User, thank you. Ravi,
Present, sir.
thank you. Vishwaraj Singh, Vishwaraj Singh, not responding. Vasu Kumar, Vasu Kumar, not responding. Himang Kumar,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Vish,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Nirav, Nirav, not responding. Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Breeze,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Aditya,
Present, sir.
thank you. Vatsal,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Ishan,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Manthan,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Jinal, Jinal, not responding. Vasu,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Mohammed Faiz,
Present, sir.
thank you. Rupali,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Anjan,
Present, sir.
thank you. Ramesh,
Present, sir.
thank you. Shruti,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Kanan,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Jay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Shubham,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Shivu, thank you. Anybody left? Anybody left? Dashiv, just a minute. Okay, so Dashiv, are you in B batch or A batch?
Sir, I am in this batch, but my name is not in the list.
You are in A batch. Just a minute.
In A batch.
Let me check out. Just a minute. Please wait. Okay, done. Anybody else? Anybody left? Fine. So stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next week. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.